Hello, this is going to be a short tutorial on how to get a map from GeoReferencer into StoryMapJS to use as your main map layer in StoryMapJS. So assuming that you've already georeferenced a map in GeoReferencer, if you haven't, I'll provide a link to another tutorial showing you how to do that. You're going to make sure you're signed in and then go over to My Maps. The map that you georeferenced here in that tool should be available, and you're going to click on this map. If it has been appropriately georeferenced, you're going to see a box down here that says Using GIS Apps. I'm going to click Get Links, and this XYZ link. I'm going to copy that. Now back in StoryMapJS, you're going to see, I'll go back to My Maps. I'll start a new map. And then in Options, down here under Map Type, one second, I'm going to drag this up so you can see it. Go down to Custom and paste that in, that URL that you copied. And say Close. And this, when you do this, it's going to probably take a second. I'll make sure this all fits in the window again. Sorry, I'm recording this in a tutorial creation tool that isn't super friendly sometimes. So right now you don't see anything because I don't have any content, but I'll put some stuff here. I'll add a slide, and you're going to need to make sure that there's actually a pin in that location. So and then you're going to see that the map now loads now that we're zoomed in. And so each slide should have a little pin. I'm going to see if I can make this a little more visible. You can drag around. You get the idea. So I'll save this and preview it. And again, depending on how big your map is, it might take a lot longer for this tile map to render in the background. But generally it should happen. There shouldn't be any problem with it if, as long as you have locations that are pinned there. A lot of times what people do is they'll set the background map, and you'll notice that it's, it's zoomed out to the entire world right now. But if we were to start zooming in, actually this preview won't actually let us zoom in, but if, say, I zoom out, it's very easy to not see that georeference map in here. It might already be in there, you just have to zoom in a little bit, and then it appears. So I hope that helps. Let me know if it doesn't, and good luck.